Welcome to another video from ExplainingComputers.com. This time it's a special extra episode so we can unbox this, the gold play button for reaching 1 million members of the Explaining Computers community. So let's go and take a closer look. Right. Shall we open a gold play button? It feels like a rather momentous moment. And as you can see, I've got both Mr. Scissors and Stanley the Knife on hand to help out. But I think the first thing we need to do is to turn this thing over. It's quite weighty. I've been planning this. I think first of all we have to cut the tape down here so that the bottom bit will work like that. And then flick it back all the way up. There we go. And I think I'll let both Mr. Scissors and Stanley the Knife take part. We'll let Mr. Scissors cut this side, like that, and that, and that. Oh, I'm too excited. There we are. And over here, there we are. Stanley can do those. And if I've got that right, in theory, this will, yes. Whoa. This is a gold play button. Be quiet, Stanley. Oh, look at this. Congratulations, a little card. A little letter, and clearly, even though I knew the size of the box, it feels really big. Let's get rid of the box, put that down on the floor down there, and this can go on the box. Oh dear, where's that going? Excitement happening off screen, and oh, this is just a. What is that exactly? Oh, it's in a box. I see. This is also a box that comes out of there. There we are. And this is in a bit of stuff. It is heavy, you know. It is, there we are, the full effect. Here is the Explaining Computers gold play button. And it's, you can see it slightly better like that, can't you? Because it's on metal and, wow. It's very difficult to put into words what this means. You know, 1 million people have clicked on Explaining Computers to wish to see what's going on with a channel, and here it is in a great big thing to put on the wall. We've got a gold play button, we've got 1 million subscribers, 1 million people as part of the Explaining Computers community. I'm quite overcome actually. This is a much bigger moment than I thought it was going to be. Here we are, the gold play button for Explaining Computers. Greetings! Here I am back again with the gold play button. I think I'm going to call it Mr. Reflective because you have to hold it just right on camera or you can't see it properly. And you'll be pleased to hear I've had a cup of tea, a chance to calm down a bit and reflect on what this means. And it's strange, it's one of those moments where you think you're going to think one thing and then you think something entirely different. And the thing it's made me think about is all the way back to the first ever Explaining Computers YouTube video, all the way back in March 2008. And that video was called Explaining Web 2.0. And it was all about how Web 2 is about linking things to things, people to things, and people to people through the internet. It's not really about the technology at all, it's about the relationships, about the connections. And in some ways, this is a manifestation of that. This is a manifestation an award from YouTube saying that 1 million people have connected themselves, have formed a relationship with the Explaining Computers YouTube channel. And that is extraordinary. I still can't get my head around that. It's, you know, 1 million people is just like, you can think about 1,000 people or even 10,000 people, but beyond that it gets difficult, isn't it? 1 million people, that's an awful lot of people. And therefore, whilst I will always value this. Well, many times I thought you'll never get to 1 million subscribers. I was grateful to get to 100,000, 200,000, 250,000. Many times I thought I wouldn't get to the million. And so whilst I will always value this as a physical thing, it is actually what this represents. The fact that so many of you have chosen to subscribe and to remain subscribed. People never talk about that. It's not just about getting 1 million subscribers, it's getting more to survive the churn. It's the fact you've all subscribed together at one point in time. That's what's really so special to me. And so I'm very happy to have the award, but I'm even more happy to have what it represents. And I'm very grateful for all of you who've made this happen. But now that's it for another video If you've enjoyed what you've seen here, please press that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I hope to talk to you again very soon.